Hi there, I'm Barnaby from UGRacing's powertrain team. I'm here to talk about our partnership with Graphite Additive Manufacturing in the development of our intake system for our 2022 combustion race car. The main purpose of the intake is to provide air to the engine needed for combustion, and the ideal intake system provides equal airflow into each of the cylinders of the engine. This year's intake has been designed to fit into a small space while still having a large volume. Because of the curved geometry, we've chosen to 3D print the intake. So this is last year's intake, which as you can see is complex in design. So this was 3D printed in-house, however it turned out to be porous, so that meant that air was getting sucked through the walls of the material, which stopped it from working. This year we're using Vapor Smooth SinterWorx G4 from Graphite Additive Manufacturing. The material is stronger and lighter than in previous designs, and the vapor smoothing technology ensures that the component is 100% sealed. The intake will be printed at the end of the month, so stay tuned to see the finished part.